Experiencing problems with your Spectrum cable box after unplugging it? You're not alone. A common issue is the box failing to function due to input or activation problems. This often happens because unplugging disrupts the box's internal memory, which holds activation data. When you plug it back in, it needs to resync with Spectrum servers. First, ensure all cables are securely connected. HDMI and coaxial cables must be tight. Power cycle both the cable box and your TV. Unplug them, wait 30 seconds, then plug back in. Give the box 5 to 15 minutes to fully reboot and download any necessary updates. This allows time for resync. If you see error messages like no signal or an activation code, proceed to the next steps. If your Spectrum cable box displays no signal, check your HDMI connection and try a different HDMI port on your TV. Also, ensure your TV input is set correctly. For activation problems, use the Spectrum app or website to reactivate your box using the 10-digit code displayed on the screen. If that fails, contact Spectrum support at 1-888-573-4839. It's helpful to note any error codes. A faulty cable might also be the culprit. Consider replacing your HDMI cable. Keep in mind that Spectrum is increasingly moving towards app-based solutions and AI-driven diagnostics. If issues persist, contacting Spectrum support is crucial, as they can perform remote resets and diagnose more complex problems.